Hello everyone, welcome to Wire Network. Today, we discuss about how to perform a net install of Mikrotik RouterOS on a Mikrotik device. Netinstall is a tool designed for Windows operating systems to reinstall Mikrotik devices running RouterOS. Netinstall reformats the device's disk and copies over fresh files onto the system's disk. This can solve multiple issues when your device is not working properly. Always try using Netinstall if you suspect that your device is not working properly. Download RouterOS main package from Mikrotik official website. Go to Download Archive. You must choose a RouterOS version which you want to install on Mikrotik device. Next, download the Netinstall tool. After complete the download, extract the Netinstall zip file. Next, copy the RouterOS and paste into Netinstall folder. Configure a static IP address for your Ethernet interface. Netinstall will only work on one active interface on your computer. It is highly recommended that you disable any other network interfaces. Next, go to Download and run Netinstall tool as administrator mode. Connect your device to your computer using an Ethernet cable directly. Most commonly, Mikrotik router board devices are able to use Netinstall from their first port, Ether 1. Power up your device and press Reset button until the device to show up in Netinstall. Finally, RB750 is detected in Netinstall. Click on Browse button and navigate to your Downloads folder wherever you saved your RouterOS packages and press OK. Next, click on Install button. You are done. Remove the device from power, remove the Ethernet cable, place the device back in your network and your device should be running properly now.